In this video, I will show you how to restrict form submissions and display a custom message in Gravity Forms. First, we'll start by creating a new blank form. Give your form a title for this example. We'll use Local Tech Equipment Rental and create it. Now, let's build the form by dragging and dropping the necessary fields from the right-hand panel. We'll add a name field, an email field, and an address field. Select the Address field to open its settings. We'll update the field label to Delivery Address, and change the address type to United States. I will also disable the zip code and address line 2 fields to shorten the form. Next, we need a way to tell users if they are outside of our delivery zone. Drag an HTML block onto your form. In the content box, type the custom message you want to display when someone isn't eligible to submit the form. Going back to the address field, since this example is for a local business, we'll also scroll down and set the default state to New York. For the HTML block, to make sure this message only appears to the right people, head down to the conditional logic section for the HTML block. Turn it on, and configure the rules to show the field if the delivery address state is not New York. The final step is to actually prevent the submission. Click on the Submit button to open its settings, and enable conditional logic there as well. Set the rule to show the Submit button only if the delivery address state is New York. One important disclaimer: hiding the Submit button with conditional logic can sometimes cause accessibility issues for certain users, so be sure to use this approach thoughtfully. Save your form, and let's preview how this works. When the form loads with New York as the default state, the Submit button is visible. But if a user selects a different state, like New Mexico, Nevada, or Minnesota, the Submit button is instantly hidden, and our custom message appears instead.